Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I would like to make a 2-bean soup for you today. Okay? A 2-bean soup. So the beans we're going to be working with is red kidney beans, and garbanzo beans. May not be pronouncing that correct, but garbanzo beans. Okay? Alright, so these 2 beans are already in the pot right here. Oh, let me put it down so you can see. Okay? Alright, so now let me focus your attention over to the counter. And we're going to add the other items that we're going to be using to cook with. Okay? Okay, so this is onion paste that I made. So we're going to put that in. 1, 2, 3, 4 heaping tablespoons of onion paste. If you don't have onion paste, just cut up an onion very fine. Okay? Alright. And I have sun-dried tomatoes. Sun-dried tomatoes right here. I soaked them in some water to get them soft so that I can cut them up some. And they'll soften more when we cook in the Power Pressure Cooker XL. Okay? I'm going to put that in. That's going to give it some nice flavor. And also the water that I soaked it in, I put it in here in the beginning before anything went in the pot. Okay? Okay. Then we have I had a head of celery, so I cut up half of it. It's right here. And then I'm going to put in I have some garlic paste here I made. Let's go ahead and put that in. Okay, so you can see this is a tablespoon, so I would call this a half a tablespoon of garlic. Alright, I'm going to put that in. I also have some carrots. I'm going to put that in. You don't have to have this kind of carrot. You can have whatever kind of carrots you want, whether you whole and you cut them up, whichever way you want to do that. Okay, so now we have those ingredients in. Now let me get my seasonings. I'll be right back. Okay, so we have our seasonings. I'm going to put in some black pepper. Remember, seasonings is your choice, how much or little you're going to use. I'm sorry, let me show you that. Black pepper, turmeric, cumin, okay, and chili powder. Let me open this. This is not open, so gotta get it started. Okay. Chili powder. Okay. So now let me mix that up. show you. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to cook this in the Power Pressure Cooker XL, and we're going to cook that for 45 minutes, okay? And once that stops, I'll come back and show you. Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is peace. Find some peace and happiness in your life. It's very, very important. Peace. With peace, you don't have to worry about your blood pressure going up. With peace, you don't have to worry about anything. You're just calm. See if you can find some peace in your life. It'll do you some good. Okay. I'll talk to you in 45 minutes, okay? Thank you. Oh, okay guys, so the 2-bean vegetable soup is ready. Let me let you take a look at that. We cooked it in the Power Pressure Cooker XL. Okay, how about that? So see, you can take the beans and make soup. Who'd have thought of that, right? Okay, let me get a thumbnail. Why not? Oh, there we go. Thumbnail. Alright, so let me take a taste, let you know how it tastes. Very good. Flavors there. I like. Okay, so you try yours and let me know how it comes out. It's cold outside. I'm in Massachusetts, so a bean soup is really, really necessary. It warms you up, it fills you up, and it's good protein. Okay? Alright, check out the links below. Share the video, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and come back soon. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.